the most important part is to do every day. Don't be discouraged because you can't sit and you can sit in half lotus and still try it every day. You do 15 minutes today, tomorrow 15 minutes and 30 seconds, you just do it more and more. So if you sit for an hour and you feel all comfortable, then you have to sit for 2 hours, so then you have problems. And you resolve the problem and you become a better and stronger person. And also on top of that, when you have a problem, you go to seek your good moral advisor, and that's when you can improve more and more. And I highly recommend for anyone. In our temple, we have from age 1 to 97. So it's beneficial for everyone. I think at the end of the day, if you are successful, still finding peace inside is very essential to our life. So yeah, I'm here to share because I got so much out of it. I can talk to my dad. Yeah. Everybody has that issue. Like every time he called me, before I get so nervous, then why is he calling me? Like it was better when he's not calling me. Like, should I ignore? Oh my God, my head is hurting. But now I can just talk to him like no problem.
So you meditate, you envision the energy flow?
No, don't meditate. Okay, again, that's why we teach you to focus on that being. That's where your attention will be. And you recite. Okay? You follow the energy, whatever, it's not a proper method. Okay? Because all the things manifest will change. So if you focus on certain things, sometimes it makes you stop, so we just teach you the method the patriarch teach. Because patriarch always try different things and they fail. And this is shortcuts. So you don't waste time. So in Buddhism scripture they say, if you see demon, you slender it. If you see Buddha, you slender it. Because it's a state. So, a lot of people, they meditate, they experience third dhyana state is very pleasant. So people like to be pleasant. And they repeat for 10 years, 20 years, and they're so stupid, they do it over and over again. And then you can't tell them anything because they are not going to listen. If they believe in it. They just feel so good in meditation every time, like they think they're so awesome. And people who already experienced breakthrough that, look at it like, oh man, you're so stupid, you have no idea. You're so attached. That's why we teach you something that's hard to endure, because you don't want to be attached where you are. So you can move forward and forward and forward. The higher you go, the more things you can discover. The higher you go, you discover how arrogant you are, how stupid you are, how silly you are, how judgmental you are. It's very good sign. So a lot of people learning meditation, Master, I never knew I'm so evil. Then you can become a better person because you just discover you're so evil. But if you think you're so great, that's called arrogance. So good meditation needs to teach you not to be arrogant. If somebody meditates and becomes more and more arrogant, there's some problem with the method. So then you have a filtering system. Oh, this is not a good system. I need to go find another one. So in Buddha's history, when Buddha was alive, you know the story of Buddha, right? A little bit? He was a prince of the kingdom. And then he wanted to find the truth why people suffer. So he went out, he found a teacher. He was already a better meditator. So he improved very fast, and he surfaced the first teacher, and he realized this teacher can't teach him anymore. So he went to find another teacher. That's how he moved on to different teachers. That's the tradition of good knowing advisor. We call it seeking a good knowing advisor. So if a person can resolve the problem you have, or can give you specific instructions how to resolve the problem, you need to find another teacher. As long as you already so the teacher gives you a solution, right? If you are able to execute it, and if it doesn't help you, that means you need to find another teacher. But if you are not executing whatever you're told, then you should stick with a teacher until you can execute it and find out if it helps you or not. Does that make sense? So if you meditate by yourself, there's always difficulties because you don't know what you're doing. So if somebody has already gone through all the steps and go to the top of the building, he has a GPS, oh, go make a left, go right, there's a stairs, oh, no, elevator is better, this is what you need. Then you don't have to waste time and make sure you go, higher and higher. So that's the thing I know. So, why is she laughing? She's happy to unbuckle. No, I think she's happy to unbuckle. Freedom. So anything you have to ask? No, it's okay. Let it happen.
And then I got scared. It was like, wait a second. So like,
What am I doing?
I came back here.
Like, oh shit, I'm in pain.
Yeah. I think I got scared. It was like, it wasn't very long. It was like, I got scared of going somewhere else. And I got scared of going.
Where am I? Right. So the full laws, I tell you what happens. If you sit for an hour or longer, first painful, and then you numb. So the feet goes white and the purple, and then it goes to normal. So you have to pass the numbness, and then, like I said, when the chi accumulates and then push through around the system, suddenly you can get up and walk around like nothing happened. It happens around 1 hour to 1.5 hours. So try to practice this every day, and when you guys all practice, it's very good for you, especially the knee. If you meditate more and more every day, it will heal faster because the chi is gonna go and balance. Yeah. Trying to do on the floor, even with half an hour. One of my students is like this. Yeah, some people start like this, and then they're so inflexible, so they go like, I can sit up, and then I make them to sit against the wall so that they are not going to go back like that. After 1 year, some people can sit right. Yeah, it's just expedient. We have different ways to help you, but this is very fast. So if you, I also brought some books. If you want to learn more, my master gave me the permit to bring books to give to people with any amount of donation. Some people donate $1, $5, $100, whatever you feel like. I donate the money to the temple so that you can bring more books in the future. Okay? So I bought some books that give you the information about how to stretch, how to get into the posture, different methods of meditation, good knowing advisor, how to find out the good, because the fact is when you are in the bottom of the pyramid, you cannot see the top of the pyramid. Let's be real. How are you going to know it's a good teacher or a bad teacher if you don't know anything? You haven't been there. So, but we can teach you how to recognize a bad teacher. Yes? Yeah, that's what from there. So it's very helpful. And also, if you're in LA, we have a local meditation group for weekly. And also at the temple, we make a meditation retreat in summer and winter. It's all free. Okay? So the summer meditation retreat right now we are doing, I came out for the trade show, but I'm going back tomorrow to continue the meditation retreat. The meditation retreat in summer is 3 weeks, in winter 7 weeks. We meditate from 3 o'clock in the morning to 12 at night. So you can come anytime and meditate for free. Okay? Anybody in LA? Oh, not LA? You're from here? Oh, Arizona. No, you're Arizona. So, San Diego. Yeah, some people come from San Diego. So if you are interested, you can come and join us. Hopefully, food is provided, all vegetarian. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.